Do you hear me? Yes. Hi, everyone. My name is Itai. I'm the founder of BitBite, and thank you, Raum, for inviting us today. What we are dealing with is actually the #1 health problem of the world today, which is overweight and obesity. There are more than 7,000 people who are dying every day from overweight and obesity. In fact, 60% of the Germans are overweight and obese. In the US, it's 70%. Yet, there are so many people trying right now to do a diet. 1 out of every 4 Americans are on a diet right now. But unfortunately, there is no really wearable device or any other real tech that can really actually help them in this very, very difficult task. This is the reason why we have invented BitBite. BitBite is this very little, small, hearable device. You place it inside your ear once you're eating, and this is the first wearable device that actually helps you monitor and improve your eating habits. With BitBite, you can lose weight, you can eat healthier, and monitor your eating habits. BitBite is connected with Bluetooth to a smartphone app or an iWatch. Sorry for that. So how does it work? I'm sure you're asking yourself. So our ear and our mouth are connected together with a tunnel. Okay? BitBite has inside a microphone and additional sensors. With these sensors, we actually monitor what happens inside our mouth. We listen to our mouth. And in that sense, we know where, what, when, and how the user is eating. And we are able, once analyzing all this information, we are able in real time to give real-time advice to the user. For example, eat slower, chew more, or maybe grab an apple now because you didn't have any fruits today. Or, you know, these dinners where you want, when you need the reminder to put down your fork because you ate already too much. The key element of BitBite is really analyzing your eating habits. We have a very strong clinical team in BitBite, which we are really bringing a new approach to diet. So you have your dietitian inside your ear, it goes with you anywhere, and it's there to help you. We have developed a very unique design that doesn't occlude your ear, and we're using very high-level sound analysis and pattern recognition algorithms to do what we aim to. Currently, we're running an Indiegogo campaign, a crowdfunding campaign. We already passed the 90%. We would love your help in this campaign. In addition, we are looking for a seed investment in our company, and we're looking for OEM partners that would like to implement our technology in their software or hardware. Thank you so much.
Hello. Thank you very much, BitBite. You are so brave because it's quite loud here. Do you hear that?
Yes.
Okay, so just a moment with the questions. Hello over there on the other side of the room. Yes, all people who are talking now and not hearing. Could you please pay a little bit more attention to this a little bit upset, young, ambitious guy here? Would be so lovely from you. So say it to your neighbor, okay? Oh, is it better a little bit? Yeah?
Wow,
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks. I feel with you. So, questions from the jury.
So I have a question. To what extent can you differentiate between different types of food? Let's say an apple and a chocolate bar. Is it really possible?
Okay, the way BitBite works is, in your example, yes, it is, because apple and chocolate bar really sound different. But I can ask even a tougher question. What happens between different kind of cornflakes that really sound alike? But here comes the main key in BitBite is really learning your eating habits. So for the first time, I would learn BitBite that I'm eating this kind of cornflakes. So next morning when I eat my cornflakes, it will know what kind of cornflakes I'm eating. I can always, by voice recognition, I can always change it, or through the app or by voice commands, I can always change it. But we always use your eating habits as part of our what you're eating, understanding what you're eating in that sense.
Hi, this is Martin. Question on the business case. You showed a lot of partners that you're going after. The one that jumped to my mind is, and that's the question, why don't you partner with the Weight Watchers or some of the existing big brands?
Yes, we already are in touch with Weight Watchers. We've mentioned here only the people who are here. That's the companies that we put it in the presentation. But yes, we're already in negotiations with Weight Watchers in the US. Thanks.
question about user acceptance. Does it make fun to use it while eating something to stick in your ear? Do you have made some user acceptance tests?
Well, it is fun, and I think wearables and health and everything is part of our fun. I think hearables are there to stay. You know, we saw Bragi's beautiful product, and it's there, the hearables. The thing is, with the overweight, people are investing so much efforts and money in losing those extra pounds. We think and we believe, and this is a reaction we get from our customers, that yes, they are willing to try it and wear it.
Simon from Adidas. Are you actually able to calculate the quantity of calories that are people consuming based on the number of bites they're doing?
Yes. Once we know what you're eating, for example, an apple, so we know what your bite of an apple is, how many calories it is, okay, and it's different between one another. And then we know how many calories, but not just that. We know the exact nutrients of your food. So we know, for example, maybe you're missing some calcium, and we should recommend you to eat maybe a yogurt or something like that. Okay, so it's not just the calories, it's calories and all the nutrients that are part of the food.
So then just as a follow-on question, do you plan to develop the business further to be an advertising platform for food, supermarkets, etc., etc.?
Well, this is 2 steps behind the location we are today. It is an option. We're still not there yet.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you so
Goodbye.
much.